Are you looking for a way to make it super quick, easy, simple to air your tires down and back up? That is what I'm gonna share with you today. My top pick to make it super easy, super simple, and a breeze when you want to air down or air back up. Let's talk about one of the fastest, easiest ways, which is the Morrflate system to go ahead and air down and air up your tires. There are different options. What I recommend, what I have in this kit is the 4-tire kit. That way I can do all 4 tires at the same time. This is gonna cut down on the time it takes to either air your tires down or back up. So let me show you how simple and easy this is. Everything is kept nice and organized inside so that it is easy when you get ready to use it. Start by airing our tires down with this system. We'll connect it the same way, whether you're gonna air your tires down or reinflate them and air them back up. Basically, you're gonna take your tubing. You have 2 different sides. All you have to do is separate, just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and run these tubes and these lines on each side of your vehicle. Another thing you're gonna notice I really like about this is these are going to connect and they will stay on their own. So you don't have to stand there, you don't have to hold anything. Once you've connected this, this is what comes with the 4-tire inflation and deflation kit. When you have this, things you wanna think about. You never wanna store this with air in the lines, so you always wanna let air out. That is what this is for, to let air in and out. You wanna make sure you remove the batteries every time you go to store it. So those are just 2 things to keep in mind for longevity so that this continues to work for you. You don't have any issues with it. When you go to use this, you turn it in the on position. And then what you're going to notice is this valve is gonna let the air in and out, depending on if you are going to be inflating or deflating your tires. Take your valve cap off. Make sure you put this somewhere where you're not going to lose them. Open, stick it on, and close it. Now it is attached. So you'll do all 4 tires the same way. It is telling me how much air pressure is in it right now. So 32.8. All you have to do is take this knob down here. When you pull it, it's gonna go ahead and let the air out. Pull it down to stop it.
Using my Morrflate? Yeah.
I wanted to make sure this would work with all of the different air compressors, which it does. When you go to their website on Morrflate, I'm going to be sharing a link for all of this for you in the description below this video. You can buy a connector piece based on what air compressor you have. It works with the Milwaukee battery operated air compressor, works with the ARB dual air compressor, which is what I have. I tried this and used it on our big air compressor at the house. It works for that as well. This is my extension that is hooked to my air compressor that then is hooked to my gauge and my system. The lines are then run to the tires. You do need to open and close the valve. So the only way to read the current tire pressure in the vehicle is to make sure you've closed the valve to get a correct reading. Other than that, this is a very simple, easy system to use, and I highly recommend it. Keep an eye out for our next video coming from LadyJeepers.com, where I'm going to talk about the Morrflate Air Hub system, which is, again, just like this system, just has some different options to it. And I'm going to talk about what I love about that, why I recommend that system as an option as well. So keep an eye out for our next video.